There's fish down there. All right, I'm marking fish all the way down there, beginning at about, 6, 7 feet, probably about 7 feet, yeah. Beginning about 7 feet all the way down to the bottom, which is about 12 feet. All that is fish. And here's what I'm using, just like a little glow jig tipped with a wax worm. We're gonna drop it down there, and you should be able to see the bait fall on the screen. Keep an eye on it. You can see it fall. There it goes. I'm just gonna drop it right. How about there? Right there. I'm just gonna jiggle it a little bit. Shouldn't take long before we get a bite. You can see the fish are all over it now. They're all over it. On the screen, it's a big red blob. Yep, I've got a little nibble. Oh. Sometimes if they don't take it all the way, you don't get them. Just jiggle it. Yep, there's one. Got one. There we go. And there they are. There's a ice bluegill. See if I can get my bait back. Got it. And we're gonna let this little guy go. Oops. There you go, buddy. See if we can get something bigger. Let's try it again. They're still down there. A bunch of them down there. There's a bunch of them down there. Let's see. You can see our bait drop right about there. Give it a couple jiggles. Got one. He's wrapped around the transducer a little bit. Come on, buddy. There we go. Let him go. There we go. We're dropping down. Keep on going till we're about right on top of them, right there. Give it a couple jiggles. Oh, that was a good one, whatever it was. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Nice. That's a nice one. Yeah. Wow. That's a good one. Nice. Nice. How many is that for you now? That's got to be at least 4, right? Nice. There we go. It's a nice little bluegill.